Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 15th day of July 2026. The just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today by myself and other traders as well. The setup is pretty standard for us. We had a massive strong candle. So strong candle indicator down here. There's a little triangle that points up towards the top of the screen and is green. What it's telling me is to go ahead and trade the market up to the top of the screen. And that's what we're going to do. This particular candle, though, has gone past a major pivot, which is the previous pivot, one of the strongest pivots out there. So when you have a strong candle that closes out over or under or say beyond a major pivot, you just wait for the retrace to come back to make sure it wants to stay over that pivot, and then put your order on and just go. That strong candle indicator is amazing when used properly. So that's what we're going to do. Next, we need to look over at the PVI to see what kind of targets we got. Kind of back and forth. I expect the next candle to be somewhere around between 90 and 130 ticks in length. So we'll go over here and pair our ATM, and we'll use our 20, 50, and 100 tick targets. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. Put our order on. It's not that fast, so we'll use a limit order, and here we go. All right, let's do this push down. When it hits the blue previous pivot button, we'll put our order on, and then we'll go. So the hard thing here is just being patient enough. Now, another advantage of doing this push, retrace, reject over a pivot is that you don't have to take on the entire risk. Normally, if I just wanted to put a trade on right away, I'd have to put my risk at least under the current candle. But if I push retrace off of a pivot, I can use the retrace for my stop, greatly reducing the amount of risk I have on this trade. So first thing we're going to do when we get picked up is we're going to put our stop where it belongs. And we have to just wait until it gets picked up, then we can speed up the replay and see what the final result is. But the only thing you can really control is when you get in and when you get out. So now if this just wanted to keep going straight, that would be beautiful. Okay, so now I can use this retrace for my stop. I have very little risk on this trade. When my first target gets hit, the stop will come a little bit closer to a break-even position. Let's go ahead and speed it up now. It'll play around for a while. There we go. Boom. Took half the candle to get going. Once it gets going very well. And you can see it just shoots up through the targets. So 20s and 50s are out. We can't lose any money on this trade. We can only gain. Oh, so close. So close to our 100 tick target. See if it'll regroup here. It may take another candle. There we go. Boom. That took almost the entire 5 minutes of that candle to complete, and it was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find your strong candle indicator. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.